Hello, Dumela, welcome, Gyal Amuhela. In this channel, you're going to learn how to have conversations, learn grammar, phonics, and a little bit of reading. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Hello, Dumela, Dumelang, if you're watching more than one person, and Gyal Amuhela to today's lesson. So today I'm going to be giving you 5 steps in order to construct a sentence that is going to make sense grammatically. So these are the 5 steps that you need to follow in order to construct a Sesotho sentence. Number 1, you need to choose a subject, which is a noun referring to a person, a thing that is going to perform an action. Number 2, add the subject concord, and these are the nouns that are divided into classes, and each class has its own subject concord. Please check my previous video in order to see the list of subject concords that you can choose from to make your own sentence. And number 3, if there is an extension after the verb, an object, or an adverb, if yes, you go to number 4, and if no, then you add an a, yeah. Number 4, choose the verb, which is an action to be performed by the subject. And lastly, you add an optional object if needed, or an adverb in which way the action is done. So there you go. Those are the 5 steps that you need in order to construct a Sesotho sentence.